Trading strategies and tactics. Important aspects of price action trading. 1. Market trend, identity: what the market is doing, whether it is trending, ranging, or choppy markets. If it is a choppy market, don't go for an entry in the market. 2. Level, try to find the most important support and resistance levels. Those skills help you to enter the market in correct time and give you better results. 3. Signals. Signals mean the candlestick patterns. If you understand the psychology behind its formation and the message it conveys, you can execute a good trade. Pinbar candlestick pattern strategies. Pin bars are used to determine the reversal points in the market. Here you will learn about how to identify potential pin bar signals and the conditions needed for high probable trading setups. As you know that pin bars have a long tail that shows rejection, and it indicates the market will change its direction. Also, it has a real body part which is usually small. A bullish pin bar characterized by lower wicks and bearish pin bars by upper wicks. Even though the color is not so important, bullish candles with the white real body are more powerful than the black real body. Similarly, bearish candles with black real body are more powerful. Sometimes you find a quality pin bar and you enter in trade but you fail. It is because the market is not moving with pin bar formations. The market follows law supply and demand. For example, if the amount of money that buyers put on trade is less than the amount of money that sellers risk on the same trade, the market will not move in the predicted direction. But it doesn't mean that the analysis is wrong. Then why should we look for quality pin bars if the market doesn't respect its formation? We know that there is no certainty in trading, it is a game of probabilities. That is why we are analyzing quality pin bars from different angles. It simply means putting all possibilities of success in your favor. Criteria to determine whether a pin bar is worth trading or not. Pin bars formed in bigger time frames such as 4-hour, daily time frame, etc. should be taken into consideration because in a smaller time frame you could find many pin bars as smaller time frames generate a lot of false signals. Let's go through the illustration below. The pin bars formed in line with the direction of the market is more powerful than the pin bars formed against the market. If you can identify a clear trend, that means that you know who is in control of the market. The candlestick patterns formed in line with the trend is more effective. Just look at the illustration below. As you can see in the chart, the bullish pin bars formed in line with the trend works effectively, whereas the bearish pin bars which are formed against the trend fails, so that must be ignored. While analyzing a pin bar, the anatomy of the pin bar is very important. Make a clear view of the distance between the real body and the tail of a pin bar. Pin bars with a long tail is more powerful. The psychology behind the formation of pin bar candlestick. Pin bars are formed when there is a rejection, but this rejection doesn't mean that it is a reversal signal because it can be formed anywhere in the chart. When pin bars are formed in the key levels such as the support and resistance levels, supply and demand zones, moving averages, more importance should be given. Formation of pin bars at these levels gives a clear indication to predict the next move in the market. If we face rejection at support level, it indicates that bulls are more powerful and they push the market to follow an uptrend. Have a look at the chart below. Similarly, if the formation of this candlestick is near the resistance level, it means that sellers are stronger, and they are not allowing bulls to break that level. Thus they push the market downwards. See the example below. If you understand the psychology behind the formation of this candlestick, you can easily predict what is likely to happen in the market, and this you can take high probability trades based on pin bar candlestick patterns. Subscribe to our channel to get daily trading contents, and hit the bell icon for notifications.